the next one I wanted to touch on is just a general one. So very, the blockchain technology has the ability to trace the provenance of goods. So as I indicated, a number of incumbent organizations or existing companies are using the technology for their businesses, and a lot of these use cases are applicable to supply chain and the tracking of goods. So what they're doing here is they're trying to connect non-traditional suppliers of medical equipment. For example, if you are normally a clothing manufacturer making dresses and now you're making masks, and there's a hospital wanting masks, they're trying to use blockchain to say, can we connect the supplier and the provider together with, and make sure that all the certifications are there, that they've been authenticated and things like that. The other one is actually in relation to the central bank digital currency space. So, digital currencies with central banks have been talked about for many, many years, that central banks have had this ability to do it, to issue a digital currency, but it's never really had a sense of urgency around it. What we found is that last year, Facebook and another, I think it's 26 or 28 organizations announced something called Project Libra, which was a cryptocurrency to be issued by those 20 odd organizations, including Facebook, the likes of Visa, MasterCard, etc. And it really, the announcement of this project attracted a huge amount of scrutiny, where the regulators, I think for the first time, thought to themselves, our businesses are under threat. We are the issuers of currencies. Facebook is not the issuer of the currency. We issue rands, dollars, pounds. This is not up to corporates and powerful social media companies to be doing this. So we found that last year there was a huge amount of work done by central banks around the world to advance their digital currency projects. And now, even more recently, the COVID crisis has accelerated that even further. So there was a spokesperson from the Bank of International Settlement that said that COVID has exposed the value of using DLT, meaning distributed ledger technology or blockchain technology, to try and speed up some of these projects. And that's just because cash inherently, is risky in a pandemic like this, where people are physically handling money and passing it to one another all the time. At the same time, China, about 10 days ago, announced that their cryptocurrency or CBDC, central bank digital currency, is ready, and they're going to be launching that soon. So that's actually come out, and people are also saying it's been speeded up in light of the crisis going on around the world.